Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to let people repost your Instagram post. If you want to allow people to repost your Instagram post, so you have to enable some settings. So open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap here and now you have to tap on three dots in the top right corner and here just scroll down and then you will get an option of sharing and reuse. Tap on it and here you can see the options of allow people to share your content as post and reels to stories, stories and messages, repost on posts and reels. You just have to allow these all settings and after that people will be able to repost your post or stories. So that's how you can let people repost your Instagram post. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.